Oh god. Guys, it is coronavirus day 441. Stay at home day 50 and I just got several things to talk about. Making it quick. So please do not have any gatherings of any kind. Just due to a risk and possible way for who knows who might get affected. So Ontario cases is at 1,135 today. Okay. 316 cases are from Toronto, 271 is from Peel region, and 775 is from York region, 66 is from Hamilton. So Durham region's not on the list this time, okay? So all of the regions are reported under 50 cases, okay? 19 deaths have been reported. And variant cases. So UK variants are now at 122,349, an increase of plus 1,227. 840 South African variants, an increase of plus 4. Brazilian variants plus 2,544, an increase of plus 39. And of course, the India double-mutant variant, they of course is still at 45. We don't, or whatever it is. I don't know. Don't ask me. The government, they're doing a lousy job with that one. And although India is going through some tough times right now, and my arms are kind of sore from getting vaccinated, and this arm with the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine, yeah, I'll be sore. But I'm fine. My mom and dad are not fine. So just regulations that you'll get your vaccine receipt once you get the vaccine. You can book it through the website, through the toll-free number, at a pharmacy, through local health units, and this is only for 18 and up right now. So those 12. So youth 12 to 17 are allowed to pre-register if they are not provincial portals, pharmacies and special dedicated youth and pharmacy clinics, youth education. So on Tuesdays, youth vaccinations are available at pop-up clinics, mobile clinics, and walk-in appointments on Tuesday, and youth not aged by 12 can by Sunday can like last Sunday they can call through, they can book it through 1-833-943-3900 or through the public health units. stay-at-home order ends June 2nd. Okay. First matter of business, school. Yeah, the school issue. Also, only certain school boards are allowed to open for resume in-person in student learning in classrooms. So the pediatric hospitals and doctors, there's and sick kids and Children's Hospital of Eastern Ontario, they've been bothering the government to open up, but they were only focusing on the mental health part and not like the what the problems we were like facing, like there's the no air conditioning, bad ventilation, windows. It's going to be freaking hot with students with masks on. So that's my so teachers and so healthcare, healthcare experts and also they've been talking about this, and some the healthcare professionals of some regions have also went against this and said until cases have gone a bit more down. Speaking of Toronto and Peel region, they're saying no. So Toronto District School Board has said they have received nothing yet from the government. No. So Dufferin Peel Catholic District School Board, so that's like sort of West Wellington, Dufferin, Guelph, and the Peel region Catholic schools. They were like they said the preparation would be needed to resume in-person learning, and also bus drivers should also need to be prepared to return, and buses are ready to run after 2 months, and also following safety precautions. That some people might back out. I understand, because not all of us. So the Halton District School Board and the Toronto Catholic School Board, they also said if we're allowed to do open, we'll open. The Peel region, Dr. Lawrence Lowe. So he said he said the Peel Regional Health Unit was in discussion about whether the Peel region should open schools or not. So if things go the right way, schools will be open for in class, so like in-person class learning. So Dr. Eileen Davila, she is in charge of the Toronto health. She said Toronto's coronavirus cases are still high, and yes, Toronto's been high, at the high cases for for quite a while right now. Then So the spokeswoman for Education Minister Stephen Lacey, who's in charge of schools in the Ontario province, uh, apparently it was mentioned that Stephen Lacey wants safety as a priority, of course, that's mandatory, but did not indicate the status of any immediate plans to reopen schools. So Dr. Vera Etches from Ottawa, she said, and she also referenced the importance of balancing coronavirus risk with mental health harm. And of course, it's been mentioned. Yeah. So although in-person instruction is the best experience for students, because like the teacher can literally help the students, and I do believe yes, but it must be done safely. So safety is one major issue. No, that's the major issue. We're focusing on safety for students, safety for teachers, safety for staff who work at schools, right? So there's that. Okay, the second thing I want to talk about. Back to Aylmer, Ontario, that Church of God. That church, where the priest and assistant priest they broke the rules and held gatherings. So there are more charges for disobeying coronavirus restrictions. So apparently there was another Sunday service that saw over 300 people in attendance. So the Church of God and its organizers are facing multiple charges again under the Reopening Ontario Act. So the corporation that owns the church, a 37-year-old man and a 57-year-old man are facing charges for failing to comply with coronavirus restrictions under the act. They were the previous Sunday, people were gathering large numbers, not social distancing or any no physical distancing. 2 meters away from each other, or wearing masks. They were not doing it. Yeah. So police chief. Zvonko Horvat reported this, and he said this past Sunday's incident, before Victoria Day, and that incident and others are being added to information collected for an upcoming hearing because of they've screwed up too much. So police chief Zvonko Horvat, he said Aylmer police is going to be supervising every Sunday the service because they're trying to make sure if people are going to go to church, they must be wearing a mask and of course physical distance. 2 meters away from other people. So the church and the pastor and assistant pastor faced $48,000 in fines and $69,000 in legal costs. Ouch. And also there was several counter protesters against this closing of the church along the highway, protesting what the church is doing. So some people are against what the church is doing, so that's good. That's good. So that evidence on this that happened the Sunday before, before Victoria Day. That information will be collected and and will be used for a contempt hearing on May 31st. Now, Victoria Day. That's my topic. So people apparently got stupid with fireworks all over Toronto on Victoria Day, and I'm not talking about people who popped fireworks in the backyard. I meant people who did it in parks. So someone named Dave tweeted on Twitter. So Riverdale Park in Toronto. So he walked up to the park in the morning and found he found a serious, disgusting amount of fireworks debris left all over Riverdale Park West. And of course, if you pop fireworks, you gotta clean up. You don't leave it like that. So the city of Toronto does allow people to set off fireworks without a permit on May 2nd to 4th weekend at Canada Day. But this was happening was illegal. Yeah. So someone with the Instagram, the Twitter name, the Insta Chopper TO. So apparently through TikTok, this person found a footage of people popping fireworks all over Woodbine Beach. So that's like by Lake Ontario near yeah. So first of all, the rules you can only set off fireworks on private property, meaning your backyard or any part of your yard, technically. So yeah. So Wigmore Park. So Toronto Fire. Ouch. So Wigmore Park. People are popping fireworks there, and Withrow Park, there are people popping fireworks there. Prince of Wales Park too. That's somewhere downtown, I believe, and apparently fireworks are only allowed on the Victoria Day only. So there's a prop, and some did in the morning, and some people needed that didn't clean up after they went pop pop pop. So Lorelli got so she, oh my god, she took a photo and so what Lorelli found out was oh there was like it looks like some track place and like oh my god. And some people have been complaining about the noise. And then someone tweeted, "Oh God, Toronto, shut up with the fireworks! It's something that freaks out my cat." So people there have been also been mentioned with the people who have had dogs, cats, birds, pets being alarmed by fireworks noises. So if these pets aren't used to fireworks noises, yeah, they can they go crazy. And on Toronto Street in Toronto, oh god, someone popped fireworks. And also don't forget babies. Babies need to sleep. So someone Christina Pia. So probably she's probably a mom. So she said not fun for babies, cats, dogs, or wildlife. Don't forget the wildlife too. And also, there was a stupid thing where people were shooting fireworks at each other, and all over the places, and beaches and parks. So why would you shoot fireworks at people? Cause what? You want to die? So this apparently happened at Woodbine Beach. Though, ouch. So if you want to pop fireworks, do it on your property, in your backyard or something like that. On Victoria Day specifically, and not the 3 or 4 nights of simultaneously. No, don't. And don't do it at a time when people need to sleep. Because it just, and if you're trying to shoot at each other, what, you trying to kill each other? And also, yeah, you want to pop fireworks, clean up after your acts. It's just you're just being ignorant. Yeah, just being completely rude. Don't forget the EMCPA rule. $750 per person. Sometimes there might be an additional charge. 10,000 for those who organized it. 1 million is severe and it drops to jail time. Hospitalizations is at 1,072 minus 1 yesterday. 650 ICU patients minus 22. 452 ICU patients using a ventilator minus 17. Long-term care home deaths is at 3,773 now. Plus 3, plus 2. Staff deaths not change. 337 outbreaks right now. Okay, pretty standard. Okay, please follow coronavirus safety rules and regulations. The stay-at-home rules. Do not have gatherings of any kind for the safety of others. And if you're going to pop fireworks, do it on your property. On like only on the certain holiday day. And don't try to do it at each other unless if someone like be dead. You don't know who you're killing. You'd be stupid. What are you drunk? And just don't be stupid and clean up after your act. You know, you know, you know, you're gonna have to pick up after your own waste. Sign up for vaccines. Stay safe. If you get vaccinated, you'll get a vaccine receipt, also in PDF form too. And yeah, you might feel a bit woozy, or your arm, ow, it'll hurt. Oh, stay safe.